So, how do you want to talk about our art show, dear?
What?
We're talking about our art show.
It was cool.
Yeah, it was fun. It was quite the experience because we were thinking it's probably, or it may be the one and only time where we have a combined show. It was quite the rush. We knew it was coming for months and months. And we kept making stuff, then
Or finishing
things. And then the last week before the show, we're trying to get everything done.
It is Thursday night. As you can tell, you look out the windows, darkness. But we are prepping for our art show. We have to have everything delivered on Tuesday, so that's why today's Thursday. And I have the frames for Kara's paintings made. I even made a cherry wood epoxy and filled in some little gaps and imperfections here, there, and everywhere. And I have to sand them. Then hopefully this weekend I can spray them, make them pretty. We can mount them and do stuff. So, prepping for the art show. Yeah.
It's like I knew I had to make frames for all the paintings, so that wasn't a surprise, but
it was still a marathon of pain.
It was quite the marathon of pain.
You might be wondering why we're wearing a winter coat and spraying at the same time. Well, because it's fall in Wisconsin. And when it's fall in Wisconsin, that means winter.
Didn't really think about all of the tags we had to make, all the inventory we had to do. Pricing for me wasn't bad. Hardest part for me is naming furniture. Usually woodworkers don't name furniture. So they do now. All of my furniture has a name. Some of it I put thought into it, and others it's like, how do you name a table? So a lot of them, I would agonize over it, just what should I name it, and then it's like, screw it.
It is about 1:45. We got the frames done, started installing them on the paintings, except for this one. So I made it an inch too big.
How do you name a table? Stupid. We figured it out. I like the names now that they have a name, but I never thought to get my table's name before actually putting them in an art show. Things to prepare for an art show. Make lighter furniture. All my stuff is so heavy. Yeah, let's make stuff with metal now. It is very heavy. Heaviest piece is that bench.
I'm gonna be the next one with the hernia.
Oh, that thing's over 200 pounds. Lightest table was maybe 20 pounds, so I think I like the furniture I make. I just think I need to make it a bit lighter. I have secret compartments in it or something.
How's it going in there, buddy?
Get out of here. Do something with your life.
Have fun unloading these yourself. Oh my god. Whisper screaming.
I guess when you're preparing for an art show, inventory is not a problem, just finishing all your inventory is the hardest part. So I guess if I had any advice to give is make sure when your stuff is completed, it has names, tags, you have inventory, prices.
Have an extra tag on the back.
Have an extra tag on the back so when you deliver it, the people know what is what because...
Which we did.
Which we did. We're good on it.
We got one thing right.
Yeah. Well, we got a lot of things right, but that was all you, the organization part.
It's great.
For me, the hardest part was how big everything is, especially when it's not a full inch. It's like 15 and 5/8. Do I leave it at 5/8 or do I just round up? So little things like that that you'd never plan for. So next time when I start making furniture, just make it a whole number instead of whatever I feel like at the time. Overall, real fun thing to do. I suggest you try it if you have the opportunity. It wasn't scary at all for us. Showing our art's never been really scary. Transporting it is. But other than that, not bad. So yeah, definitely try it if you can.
Talking individual to people was okay. We had to
Yeah.
talk in front of a group. I have a hard time with that.
See. Yeah, I guess we didn't have to make a speech, so that was good. Half the people we knew, half the people we did not know. So we didn't have to make a speech in front of strangers. But talking to people is not really a problem for us anyways.
All the art is delivered. We don't have to set it up. And there's even a little peekaboo Kara.
I had YouTube videos playing on the laptop so people could see what we do, but I didn't bother to check if it was on loop, so once it got done with all the YouTube videos, it went to other random artists' videos. And it was funny because I noticed towards the end of the night, some people were just really watching the laptop. And I'm thinking, oh, they must really like our YouTube videos. That's really cool. And when they left, I went and looked at it, and it's some random artist doing an abstract painting, and it's been playing for an hour and a half. So,
Oh, whoa, it's me!
so I was like, well, next time I'll do a little bit better on that part. Hit that loop button. Plays the same videos over and over instead of people's videos that aren't us.
On a good note, it was still art.
Yeah, on a good note, it was still art. It's just an hour and a half of an abstract painting. So I'm wondering if they're thinking, hey, look, they are doing an abstract painting, and they must not have had it done.
Oops.
Oops, oops,
Oops.
oops.
This way, madam.
Can't get it to stick.
Anything else to say, Kara? keep arting it up. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. Kitties. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow,
You might have to reshoot some of that, I don't know.
Moving on.
What the heck?
No, the cats were not in the show. I'm sorry. Go Packers.